Hi there. Welcome on my YouTube channel. In this video, I will be talking about how to download videos from any website. Downloading videos from any website to a PC or cell phone can be done in many ways. Although it is possible to download videos from YouTube without installing programs, some plugins and free software can download media from any website, such as YouTube, Instagram, TikTok without watermark, and Facebook. To help you with this task, Tekadence has prepared a list of 10 free solutions that cover several platforms: Windows, macOS, Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Safari, and others. See which one is best for your day-to-day and have videos from YouTube and other sites available even offline. The tips are simple and work for most web pages that display funny videos, movie trailers, or music clips. FastTestTube is a browser extension that allows you to download videos from YouTube. The add-on adds a button to the website, through which it is possible to download in FLV or MP4 video formats. The platform is available for Opera, Safari, Chrome, Firefox, and Internet Explorer, and the best thing about it is that it is free. Video Download Helper is an add-on for Google Chrome and Mozilla Firefox, which can download videos from various sites such as MySpace, Google Video, Dailymotion, YouTube, Afilm, and others. The files are saved in FLV format in the folder of the user's choice. FVD, Free Video Downloader, makes it possible to download videos from an Android phone. The free app, which only does not download content from YouTube, saves the files in MP4 format. After installing the application, simply access the desired site and play the file. The FVD icon appears on the device screen and allows you to download the content. Available for macOS and Windows, RealPlayer SP downloads online content, whether videos or music. The service supports a variety of file formats, including the popular MP4, MA, AVA, and FLV. The program has an interesting function that transfers media from the computer to the smartphone, and also allows sharing via social networks. Flash Video Downloader downloads Flash videos from sites such as YouTube, Facebook, Break, and Medicafe. The program, developed for Windows, runs on Chrome and Firefox. One of the differentials of this resource is its ability to configure the computer to be turned off after downloading the videos. The K-Lite Codec Pack is a codec pack for Windows. The software ensures that the user will be able to watch any downloaded video without the risk of the player not playing the file. The app can be very useful for those who intend to download any clips. A PowerSoft Video Downloader is a macOS program that downloads videos from various sites, such as YouTube, Vimeo, and Dailymotion, among others. The platform downloads and converts multiple files simultaneously. To do so, simply enter the URL of the video in the main interface of the software. There are several supported formats such as MP4, WMV, FLV, SWF, 3GP, and MOV. Downloading videos from Facebook for free is possible with the Facebook Video Downloader online tool. The platform allows you to save the files to your computer using just the URL address of the videos on the social network, without having to download any programs or other data to intermediate the download. Downloading Instagram Videos is an app for downloading media from links. Available on the Google Play Store, the platform requires login credentials on the social network and allows you to download content even from private profiles. By simply accessing the video link, the app can save it to your Android smartphone so you can download video from Reels, Stories, or Feed. Snaptik is a free app available for Android, or a web version that runs in the browser, which makes it possible to download TikTok videos without a watermark. The app is ideal for sharing stored content on social networks or with friends. To download videos from TikTok, you need to go to the sharing settings of the post to download and copy the link. After that, simply open Snaptik and download the video to save it on your smartphone. Check out the links to download any of the aforementioned on the video's description page. Here ends our video on how to download videos from any website. We hope you find it very useful. If you have any suggestion, kindly share with us in the comments section. Also, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Please click on the notification bell in front of the subscribe button to turn on notification for this channel, so as to notify you when I post new video. Thank you for watching.